Now let's move forward. In this video, we will see a new topic, that how to use conditional statements like if else in Lightning component, and also we will understand more about various other things. So this is how our course will work as we move forward in the video. Not only on the topic, but within the topic itself you get to learn small things here and there. Okay, so let's start. Now this was our nested component which is being referenced by our app. So if I remove this from here, so only this wrapper comp is being referenced by our app. Okay, so whatever we do in this wrapper comp will be there on our application preview. So let's say I define an attribute here, and this time we will define an attribute of type Boolean. Okay, and first we need to give the name. Let's say I name it change or whatever you want. Type equals to Boolean, and I will give it a default value as true. So if in case someone does not provide any value, the default will be true. Okay, save it. Now how do we use if else statement in Lightning component? That is very simple, aura colon if. Okay, so aura is that namespace because in VF pages we know everything starts with apex colon this, apex colon that. Similarly here we have aura. And why do we use aura? We have covered in the previous videos, one of the previous videos there. Is true. If this is true, what is true? V dot change. And we know it is true because we have given the default value as true here. Okay. And aura if close. So if this is true, whatever you will do within these two if statements or if tags, that will be displayed on the application preview page. So you can simply write a text, or if you want, you can even display a button. UI colon button and label equals to I am true. Okay, so I'm just giving any arbitrary display here for the demo purpose. Now if I go ahead and refresh my application, I am true, the button is here. Okay, now what? If you want, let's say if I change this to false, see, the button has gone. So if it is true, I am true. If it is false, nothing is there. So now what we also want to specify the else statement as well. So within this last aura colon if tag, a lot of people do this mistake. They will define the else after this. The else has to be defined here. Aura colon set attribute equals to else. Okay, so what it is doing, if it's true, then this else set the attribute to the other part false. So if this is false, set it to else, the other thing true. If this is true, set it to else, other thing. What is else? If true, else false. If false, else true. So this is how if else statement works. The same thing is here. One condition is specified here, which is true. So the other condition for false will be else. Okay. So this is how we do here. We set the attribute to else, and see, automatically aura colon set is closed. And here again we will display a button. I will simply copy paste this, no need to type it again, and I am false. So this time what will happen? This button will be displayed which says I am false, because we know the default value is false here. So is true? No, it is not true. Else it is false, so I am false. See, I am false is here. Okay, so this is how we can use if else statement, and by making use of the expression. You see here, this is an expression. We are referencing the change attribute here through v dot denominator, and being in inverted quotes, it is called as expression. Okay.